Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Wednesday, December 28, 2022 on our channel. Maersk to strengthen its Saudi Arabia operations with a new cold storage facility. Fujitsu General starts local manufacturing of ATW in Europe. Lineage Logistics raises over $1 million in new equity to fund investments. Fujitsu General acquires Distributor to expand its business in Europe. Danfoss CO2 MiniPack Controller provides small food stores with a big store solution. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Maersk to strengthen its Saudi Arabia operations with a new cold storage facility. A.P. Moller, Maersk, a global integrator of container logistics, signed an agreement with Rifad Real Estate to operate a brand new cold storage facility at King Abdulaziz Port in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Maersk will open the doors to the facility in March 2023 for its customers. The agreement was signed in the presence of His Excellency the Minister of Transport and Logistics, Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Authority, Engineer Saleh bin Nasser Al Jasser, His Excellency the President of the Saudi Ports Authority, Mr. Omar bin Talha Hariri, Mohammed Shihab, Managing Director, Maersk Saudi Arabia, and the Chairman of the Board of Al Qahtani Holding, Sheikh Abdulaziz Abdul Hadi Al Qahtani. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Fujitsu General starts local manufacturing of ATW in Europe. Fujitsu General Limited and Group Atlantic establish a joint venture, FGUP, for the manufacture of heat pump water heating systems ATW within Europe. Ownership of FGUP is split 51% held by Fujitsu General and 49% held by SIC, a 100% subsidiary of GA, that manufactures boilers and other heating-related equipment. FGUP was established in December 2022, in Billy-Berclau, France, where SIC is located. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Lineage Logistics raises over $1 million in new equity to fund investments. Lineage Logistics, LLC and/or its affiliated entities, the world's largest and most innovative temperature-controlled industrial right and logistics solutions provider, today announced it has raised over $1 million in equity from new and existing strategic partners. Our latest equity raise shows the confidence our investors have in Lineage's business model and our demonstrated ability to meet demand globally in the face of macroeconomic headwinds, inflationary pressures, and capital markets volatility, said Greg Lempel, President and CEO of Lineage. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Fujitsu General acquires Distributor to expand its business in Europe. The Fujitsu General Group has concluded an agreement to increase its equity stake in FG Southeast Europe SA, hereinafter in Quad, FC and Quad, a company split off from one of the group's European distributors, FG Europe SA, hereinafter in Quad, FG Europe and Quad. This investment takes the group's stake in FC to 51%, making the company a consolidated subsidiary of the Fujitsu General Group. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Danfoss CO2 MiniPack Controller provides small food stores with a big store solution. Small format food retail stores now have the ability to implement CO2 refrigeration systems without excess first cost investments. Danfoss CO2 MiniPack Controller provides a complete pack solution that makes CO2 approachable for small format food retailers who would like to harness its benefits, even those with little CO2 experience. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.